All right, so now that we've relayered the line work onto the appropriate layer, we want to know how many linear feet of curbing we have. So if that's all we want to know, then it's fairly simple. In the previous few extra videos, I showed you selecting the line string of the construction fence and looking at its properties and getting the total length there. Now, it would be very difficult in this case because these lines are all broken. I would either have to go join them, right? Because this is only showing me the distance of just that one line. But if you go to the Takeoff tab and go to the area length count report and select the objects by layer. So if I come in here and say, now I want to select by layer, I want to select the construction fence, the curbing for both 1A and 1B. And come in here and say, I want to see area and length. I don't really need to count the objects. I just want to know what my total length are, but you could do count as well. So there's a lot of different properties you can set here. We can load this into a Excel spreadsheet. We can save it to a CSV file. I'm just going to show the daily or display the data report view. And then down here, you can show what we're in the report sections, what you want to show. Do you want to show all the details? So area, name, summary, so on. Or do you just want to show a layer summary? In this case, I'm just going to show a summary. So when I click apply, it's going to open up a report, and that report is going to show me each layer. So I've got my construction fence. It shows the color, one object, and the total length of that object. And also here's the square feet. I also can see the curb 1A, which is I've got 25 objects, so there's 25 line segments that make up the curbing for 1A and 16 to make it up for 1B. Don't really need to know that, I just need the total length. So here's my total length of my curb and gutter broken out for my 1A and my 1B. So if you know the cross section and you know how much it's going to cost you for a 24-inch curb and gutter, then you can just simply do the math. In the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to let Business Center calculate that information for you.